Are you looking for a high paying job which pays you to work from home? Well, I have one to share with you, so stick with me.
Welcome to the Wealth Legacy Movement, the space where we help you build your wealth legacy through entrepreneurship, side hustles, high paying jobs, and real estate ownership.
In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you one company that is offering over $271,000, guys, per year for a remote position. So I'm going to be jumping right into it. All right. So if you're that person, you might have some qualifications, you have some experience, and you're looking for that high paying job, well, this is for you. It's not an entry level position that you can get without, experience or qualifications. You have to have some kind of customer service experience to be able to qualify for this position. So let me jump right into it. So once you go on Zoom website, you're going to see Zoom Contact Center Solution Engineer. And as you can see, it is fully remote. And so let's jump right into the role. So it's about this role. Zoom is looking to grow its global contact center solution engineering team. Do you have a passion for working with customers? Do you have experience working in the contact center industry? Do you have a passion for driving? Do you have a passion for diving into technology that powers better customer experiences? If so, we would love to have you join us here at Zoom. So it says contact center consulting solution engineers, and don't look at engineer as like a civil engineer or computer engineer. These are people who provide solutions. These are people who do product demonstrations, and so it's not anything like that technical where you have to say, you know what, this is not for me because I did not go to school for software engineering degree or anything like that. It's different from that kind of engineers, all right? So it says contact center consulting solution engineer serve as expert in Zoom's portfolio of contact center capabilities and are responsible for driving the technical portion of a CX sales cycle alongside their Zoom sales colleagues. John is in helping the customers level up their contact centers and growing Zoom's next billion-dollar business. Let's look at the responsibilities. Serves as the customer's trusted advisor throughout the pre-sales life cycle, translating technical and business requirements into solutions, develop trust with customer executives, leadership, and other stakeholders to ensure customers' business outcome success. Customers focus problem solver, understanding business objectives and creating innovative solutions to enable their success. Partner with account teams to execute pre-sales activities, including opportunity qualification and discovery, demonstrations, product workshop, and proof of concept. Engage with Zoom CC product teams to drive customer feedback, expand product innovation, and market leadership. Understanding of industry regulatory requirements, customer security requirements, etc., and translate those into actionable feature requests for product management. So let's look at the requirements, what you need to have. Like I told you before, it's not an entry level position. But I thought I would share this because some of you out there might have experience and you're actually looking for roles like this and is not able to come up with one. So this, you must have 5+ years of experience in customer focused roles, demonstrated ability to sell to a business buyer, and their understanding of the techniques required to do so. Strong business and technical acumen with demonstrated experience in solutions engineering. demonstrated ability to sell to a business buyer, and an understanding of the techniques required to do so. Proven industry experience in contact center as a service and or adjacent industries like AI, workforce optimization, quality management, etc. Experience integrating with CRM like Salesforce, Zendesk, and other third-party applications. Strong understanding of CX, AX industry, including contact center concepts such as workforce optimization, workforce management, workforce engagement management. Familiar with creating and managing web services, REST APIs, strong understanding of contact center market and trends, advocating customer needs to influence strategy and vision, ability to work and communicate effectively with internal stakeholders, and the list goes on. Is a preferred requirement, deep knowledge of Zoom's platform, first-hand experience building the REST APIs and deploying contact center technology alongside integrations with third-party applications. These are some preferred requirements they want. Experience guiding enterprise customers from on-premises to cloud-based solutions. And this is the best part, guys. Before I go to the salary, if this seemed like something that you're getting value from, make sure that you hit that subscribe button, like this video as well, and share with the people around you because they too can benefit from these high paying jobs as well. So let's look at the salary. $135,400 and the maximum of $271,000 per year, right? How many persons are getting those salary? Unless you're running your own company, most times you do not see these kinds of salary. So send in your application and let me know how it goes, right? Drop in the comments if you're going to be applying, and if you do apply and you get a response, let me know if you've applied because it takes that one application to get the interview, because if you, like I said, if you send in no application, there's no chance for you to be interviewed because there's no application, right? So make sure that you apply. Okay, thank you so much for joining me today. I appreciate you coming to our channel. If you have not subscribed, please consider subscribing and help us to grow faster. Thank you so much. You know, here at the Wealth Legacy Movement, we're on a mission to help so many more persons to stop living paycheck to paycheck and start to live a happier, a more purposeful and a financially free life. And we do this by sharing with you side hustles, different kinds of business startup ideas, high paying jobs, and different ways you can own properties. So if you're on this journey with me, make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for coming by. We appreciate you. We don't take you coming here for granted. And so we appreciate you. Thank you so much. I'll talk to you soon. More blessing, guys. And just a little side note before I go. Remember that when we drop any opportunities here, you have to do due diligence. Make sure that you do your research, because whilst we do our research, it's important for you to also do your research. And another side note is that sometimes we drop opportunities here, and by the time you apply or you start thinking about applying, sometimes the positions, they are already far on the way and the posting has expired. So make sure that as soon as we drop them, you apply. Don't wait to apply, just apply immediately. All right, like I've always said, don't just consume, make sure that you're implementing. All right, I'll talk to you soon. More blessing, wealth builders.